More women are working than ever before. The workforce will continue to get older. The number of immigrants has increased. Ethnic and racial diversity is increasing. Percentage of women on board of directors of Fortune Global 200 companies in US and France 2004 to 2012. Female world leaders currently in power. Female world leaders currently in power. In US, women now make 80% of consumer spending decisions, including cars, computers and financial products. In Japan, women influence 2/3 of car purchases. In UK, more female than male millionaires in 18 to 44-year bracket. Employment levels. Male versus female January 1948 to May 2010. Percentage women and men employed in industry. The gender divide. Chart showing percent of adult population in full-time employment. Research 2013. Attitudes to migrant workers. Religion and worldview are exceptions as they sit within both internal and external dimensions, for two reasons. Religion and worldview cannot always be chosen freely. Discrimination as a result thereof is legally forbidden. Crucial aspects of employment legislation. Race. Gender. Disability. Disability is no longer an issue for employers to ignore. They must take reasonable steps to accommodate and recruit disabled workers. Copyright, Mellor, http://www.sxc.hu. First black president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Freedom after 27 years in prison. Apartheid meaning, the state of being apart. Literally, apartheid was a system of racial segregation in South Africa enforced through legislation by the National Party, NP, governments, the ruling party from 1948 to 1994, under which the rights, associations and movements of the majority black inhabitants were curtailed. According to a recent survey conducted by the Families and Work Institute, 52% of Indians prefer to work with people like themselves, while only 34% would rather be with colleagues who are ethnically or culturally different. The final dimensional layer of this diversity model are defined as corporate or institutional affiliation. World's best companies to work for, Fortune 500 magazine, company. Hewlett-Packard's shifting of paradigm over the years. Drawbacks of diversity. Xenophobia, irrational hatred and fear towards foreigners. Sabotage by employees. Loss of employees, e.g. food industry cooks. Goals of diversity in the workplace. The goal of diversity in the workplace is to provide a work environment in which everyone is a contributing member of the organization. Definition of diversity. Diversity in the workplace. Characteristics of diversity. Challenges of managing employee diversity. Applications of diversity in workplace.